Welcome to Single Serve in Excel. Today we're going to learn how to sort data by color. Let's say you have a spreadsheet that shows total soap sales for the month of your Paper Street Soap Company by salespeople. The rows that are highlighted in green are those who exceeded their quota for the month. Those in yellow met their quota, and those in red didn't meet the quota. You think it'll be easier to read if you group the individuals by color to see who your top and worst performers are. First, click on any cell in the dataset. Next, go to the Data tab and click on Sort Command button in the Sort and Filter group. Let's select Member Num in the Sort By box, Cell Color in the Sort On box, and in the Order box, select the color you want for the first level. We want to sort from best to worst, so we'll select green first. We'll leave the last box as on top. Now let's add two more levels by clicking on the Add Level button and repeat the same steps for the next color levels. Once you have the colors in the order that you want, click OK. Now your spreadsheet has your top to worst performers grouped together for an easier to read report. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.